Hello, I'm Diana Cooper, and I love the dragons. And there are elemental dragons who help you with your everyday life, but there are also absolutely awesome, very high frequency dragons coming in now to help us all on our ascension path to get us ready for 2032 when the new golden age comes in. Now, one of these are the dusty pink dragons from Andromeda. All beings from Andromeda carry many, many qualities of love, and the dragons from Andromeda carry all the different frequencies of love that there are available. So it's quite awesome. And I really want to introduce you to those dragons from Andromeda because they literally go into every one of your chakras and they light a flame of love in that chakra that is exactly the right quality that you need for your ascension. Now, they are beautiful. They touch you with this extraordinary feeling, and your whole aura lights up in amazing pink light. I've seen it happen. I've seen them touching people and literally changing their energies so something shifts in their feelings about life and their understandings about life. They will go into the different chambers in the chakras, and if you have a chamber closed in a particular chakra, they have the power to open that chamber. And you can ask them to do so, knowing that this will really push you forward on your pathway of love and light. So they cover romantic love and creative love and artistic love and all the passionate love, all kinds of pink energies and frequencies to enable you to move into a loving essence. Your essence literally becomes love, and this enables your soul light to come into you in a very different level. So in Bristol on the 30th of June at the Hay House Angel World Summit, I will be introducing you to the dragons from Andromeda as well as your personal dragon and others to come. I'd love to see you.